Hello everyone, class 7. We know that there is an electrical current and its effect. The chapter number 13 will have to explain. So first of all, the electric current or electricity. It is the most important criteria nowadays. Why? Because there is the general and each and every human being are dependent on the electricity. Why? Because from our very first morning till to the evening, or you can say the night as well, all of us will depend, all of us dependent on the electrical appliances. You know, in the sequence of the daily life used material or used appliances like electrical bulb, electrical current, electrical appliances in which that is a fan, cooler, washing machine, fridge, motor, electric bulb, electric heater, electric toaster. The most advantage of all these appliances only be possible when there is a electricity available. So first of all, whatever the uses of these electrical appliances may only be usable if there is a electric available. So what is the electric current as well, or its effect? The electric current is what? The flow of charges, flow of electric charges. The flow of charge is known as electric current. When the electric current defined, they are the first form of the electric current is to electric charges. When the charge that get flowed, when these charge flows, this one is called as a electric current. The current that can apply in the form of charged particles, this one is known as electric current. What would be the effect in our daily life? How it can be worked? So we can say that its effect. Without this current, we can't imagine to survive nowadays. Why? Because our number of activities dependent to the daily life activities, dependent to the electricity. So what is an electric circuit? Electric circuit, the closed pathway through which the electric charges flow or electric current flow. That is what the electric circuit is. What electric circuit, we can say a closed pathway through which the electric current flows. That one is called as a electric circuit. This electric circuit is responsible for supplying the electricity to the different appliances, or we can say through these the electricity can be provided to the electrical appliances or to electrical equipments. In this sense, electric circuit in which the electric current is flow. Why? Because it is called as a electric circuit. Through this the electricity can flow. So we can say what would be the exact format, what is the criteria to which the flow of electricity. So first of all, for flowing of electricity we need here is the source of light. So the source of light here we can say the cell in which the electric current flows. How it be responsible? It is responsible in way just it is a chemical form here is the positive terminal and this one is positive and this one is negative terminal, in which when the electric wires are attached, so the electric wires, these are responsible for flow the electric charge in the form of positive and negative. So if there is a switch, so switch may be used, and the second one is the bulb or something else, whatever it is. So in this way, here is the complete diagram of circuit, electric circuit takes place, in which what would be the required? This is the cell, or you can say the electric cell, and here is the electrical wires, and this one is key or switch, and this one is what? This is the bulb. This is called as a electric circuit. Now this electric circuit is completed. This is what we can say the closed pathway. This is the closed pathway through which the electric current flows. So this one is called as a closed pathway, or it is also called as an electric circuit. Now we have to explain on the basis of the symbol, what are the symbol used for the electric form, like battery, wires, switch, bulb, different forms, how they can be shown. So there are the symbol may be used for their displaying or for showing of particular equipment of the electric